We're going to show you the range of alerts you can create on the Gompels alert panel. When you log into My Alerts, your list of current alerts will be visible. If this is your first time on this screen, your list will be blank, and you need to press Create Alert. From here, you'll be taken to our alert wizard, where you can create a range of alerts. This wizard allows you to create expenditure alerts to monitor your spending, quantity alerts to check how many of one product are being purchased, budget alerts to easily see when you are nearing spending limits, invoice uploaded alerts to check when payments are required, and cost data sheets so you can ensure your safety records are always up to date. Expenditure alerts are an ideal way to monitor when you spend over a set amount of money, and they can be set for all your sites, one region, or one specific site. You can choose the expenditure alert value and the sites this applies to. You can also apply this to all products or a range of products if you want to monitor how much is being spent on a certain item. For example, paper. You can then input as many email addresses as you want into the email box, and these people will be informed of the alert. The quantity alert operates on a similar principle, except this alerts you when a certain number of products have been purchased. For example, if you wanted to know how many gloves are being purchased by one site, or your whole business. You just choose the items required and the quantity threshold you wish to be alerted at. The budget alert simply informs you when you are close to your budget spending, and you can choose to be alerted at 5, 10, 15, 20 or 25% of your current budget. And again, you can choose to have these alerts by your site or by your business as a whole. As with all the alerts, you can choose to be alerted immediately or at a set time period and interval. You then just put the desired email addresses into the box and hit save. It's important to remember these alerts do not limit your spending, but allow you to monitor it and adjust budgets and orders appropriately. Our key accounts team are available to help you set up alerts and talk you through the whole range of tools whenever you need.